Okay, guys. Example number 4 says Susan drove for 2 hours at 85 kilometers per hour and then 3 hours at 95 kilometers per hour. What was her average speed for the entire trip? What formula am I using? What formula is this, Alexander?
The rate times time.
Exactly. Distance equals rate times time. Okay, but for here, guys, look, we always put the equals thing back here, so this is distance. Let's just put rate here times time here equals distance. Okay, how do I split up this part over here? What's this first row going to be, Max? What do you want to call first trip? First part of trip or what? First trip. What's the next one? Second trip. And it's part. No, it's not. Oh, what's our average for the entire trip? So look, then I'm going to put entire trip. Okay, so help me out. What was the rate on the first part? Jordan? 85. For how long? Susan drove 2 hours at 85. Okay, that's going to equal the distance, which is 85 times 2, right? All right, what's the next one? Somebody, rate. 95 times 3. And so then this is going to be 95 times 3. Okay. What's the rate for the entire trip? Well, no, oh. I don't know what the rate for the entire trip is. I don't know what that is. What's the time for the entire trip? 5 hours. What's the distance for the entire trip? Well, it's 5x, that's true. But what does that equal? 455, is that right? What's 85 times 2 is what, 170? What's 95 times 3? 285? Am I right? So the whole trip was what, 515? Just like David said, 455? So that means that 5x must equal 455. Right? Rate times time equals distance. Divide both sides by 5, and what is x?
91.
Done. 91 miles per, or kph, kilometers per hour. How did I figure out what? I can find the rate for the entire, I just know that it's going to be x times 5, because that's the formula. All right, good job, guys. You're ready for your homework. Let me let you go.